Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm here with
Ina
and
Yana, my cousin.
today we're gonna be making cloud slime.
Sorry.
So you need glue. Here's the you cannot see me by the way. Let's move a little here. Diaper, water, scissors, and
Activator.
and you need actually a bowl and a mixing utensil.
And we're inside my house, and in case we're messy, we have towel. Tissue, I mean.
So let's put in the glue.
Yana, put in all of the glue.
Yeah. I hate that sound. Or sometimes they make me shock.
Ah!
Oh yeah, we're wearing the same like this things.
Yeah, all of us wearing like this. But
Excuse me po.
stop saying that because you're making a video from Diane's phone.
What are you doing?
I'll just... No, I'm not gonna scoop it.
Okay, this is enough for me. So we're gonna actually activate this now, and later we're gonna add the tamper thingy.
Later, if I need more glue, I'll... In case I need more, I'll...
So let's cut open this thing. Anna has a lot. Anna.
Yana! You forgot her name?
No. Not,
Excuse
I'm
me
just,
po ulit.
confused.
Lala! Knife!
Well. Whatever. Let's cut.
Grandpa! Okay, is that cool? Or...
There.
Oh, what the?
I'm gonna mix it. So mine is already formed. Already formed. My slime is completely formed now.
Okay, I think I added too much or not?
No, you didn't.
Okay. Because...
I always add a lot of Oreo so that it will work. Okay, mine is good. It's almost done.
Mine is almost, because the mixture is thick.
Look at mine. Oh, it's sticky. Sticky, sticky, sticky.
Need more.
Oh, I was gonna get that. Hey, that's too much.
Okay, mine's activating.
Yours is already formed.
Still forming. It's not yet,
Mine is formed already.
mine is just almost. Oh my gosh.
Oh, mine is so soft.
Mine is too, sticky.
Mine's just a little bit sticky. Make sure when you make slime, your hands is clean. Yeah. Because you don't want dirty slime.
Okay.
I'm gonna add in a little bit more of this.
I need more.
This.
Hey, it's okay, it's okay. We're making a video, Yana, you forgot?
It's already 3 minutes.
Okay. Still 3 minutes? Yeah.
Look at mine. So,
Oh my gosh.
Can I have this one?
yeah.
Yes.
I need more.
We don't have any now. Mine is so soft, by the way.
Mine too. Can I go? Oh,
But
touch
it's-
mine. Touch mine. Touch mine.
That's so soft.
Touch yours. Oh, you need a little bit more of Ariel.
Why don't you add more?
And then
Because we're
gonna-
slime makers. That's why
Okay.
it's perfect.
we need another
so
container.
sticky.
Wait, we need another bowl to put this thing. Oh my gosh. So we have to cut this.
Wait, I need to add more of this.
I'm gonna cut this.
Okay, I think that's so a lot.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Because mine's so sticky.
Can somebody cut this right now? You guys, you need a diaper. You have to cut it at the so that
In the
you
middle.
yeah, so that we will have that clay kind of thing. That powder, we're gonna remove that and then add the water and we'll put it at the
Okay.
slime.
Mine is so sticky, so. Yeah.
We need another bowl.
Wait, I need more glue.
Glue.
Yeah.
Why?
Mine's so soapy.
Oh really? Yeah.
Mine is sticky.
This is sticky. Add more Ariel. Oh my gosh, it bounced. Look. So soft. You have to keep your slime just a little bit sticky so that the cloudiness thing go in here.
It should be over-activated, right?
No. It should be a little sticky.
Mine is a little bit sticky.
Touch mine. Touch mine.
Oh, that
You wanna
is...
touch?
Yana. Mine is a little bit sticky.
Mine's so good.
Ah!
Somebody get another container. Another container, please.
Oh.
Or another bowl.
Guys, we'll be right back when the diaper.
Oh my gosh,
that is. Okay, guys.
Oh my gosh.
My cloud slime is like so sticky.
Mine too.
So I'm gonna add more of this.
So I'm gonna mix it with my not spatula, my popsicle stick. Oh no, it's stick in there. Oh. So I'm just gonna wash my hands.
Here's my cloud slime. It's not that really cloudy, guys, cause
But you need it to be cloudy.
okay. I'll add more of it.
Oh my gosh, it's easy to remove.
Okay.
Easy to remove.
So I'm gonna add. I'm keep going, but I will keep going to add more of my Pampers. And it's turning so melty.
Look at mine.
Look at that. I have some. Look at that.
Yeah.
Crystals.
Can I put yours? Oh, it's not cloudy.
Yeah, it's not yet.
Mine is cloudy. Hey, don't touch it that much.
Okay, it's really sticky.
I know. I don't know how to fix this. Okay, where's the scissors?
I don't know.
Can somebody get a scissors?
I don't have any scissors but the green one.
Who can open this other one? How about you?
I cannot open that.
You ask it. You ask somebody.
Okay, mine's melting now.
Mine too. But this is still cloud slime, whatever you do. Look at mine. There. Okay, this is enough. First, you need more. You will give this. You put it there. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's thick.
Okay. Yeah. So,
Don't worry.
look at that.
Mine too. Look.
Look at that. Look, Dayan.
Look. Look at mine. To mine.
Look at mine. Wait.
This is like ice cream. So this is probably
Dayan, look.
This is probably enough because mine looks like ice cream. Or maybe you need more.
Mine's almost turning cloud slime, but it's not that sticky. It's like almost sticky.
You want puffy like this? It's jelly. DIY pamper slime. Or DIY cloud slime. Okay, so I'm gonna wash it.
Whoa, look at that.
I think this kind of
Look at this.
Wow. Look at Yana's slime.
That's so cool. Like, can I touch it? Yeah, that's so cool.
Oh.
And it's almost cloudy.
Yeah, you need a bit more.
Let me just get it. There. Oh, here, it's really big.
Okay, that's good. That's okay. Oh my gosh, it's so big.
Yeah, I know, right?
Only a little bit inside.
Do we have more of Pampers?
Yeah, we have two. Remember?
No.
Oh, candy.
Mine is really like.
Mine is formed now. Look at
Look
it.
at mine, Dayan. But it's really melty.
Oh my gosh, that's mine.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Oh my gosh, I think it's over.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, okay.
Because we need it.
I don't want to overactivate this because maybe it will not like make
cloudy?
it slime like cloudy. We just
Can I wipe there too?
It's
on my But it's easy to remove in your
Yeah.
hands. So time to mix it with my hands now. Oh my gosh, mine is so soft. Oh my gosh.
I see something
What?
like jellies.
Butter slime is kind of like, cloud slime is kind of like butter slime and ice cream slime.
Wow.
Yeah. But
Mine is almost activating.
just have to add a little more. Oh my gosh, that's too much.
I know, right? I don't know why I added too much because I think
Who
the
wants to touch mine?
mine is like almost
So,
cloudy.
guys, and we have done the slime, and thank you so much for watching our video.
Yeah.
Bye.